Let us perform a variation of activity on electromagnetic induction, in which the moving magnet is replaced by a current carrying coil and the current in the coil can be varied. Take two different coils of copper wire having large number of turns, say about 50 to 100 turns respectively. Now insert them over non-conducting cylindrical coil such as a thick paper roll as shown in the figure. Now connect the coil 1, that is the primary coil as shown in the figure, to a battery and a plug key, and the second coil with the galvanometer as shown in the figure. Plug in the key and observe the galvanometer reading in the setup that is done. You will observe that the needle of the galvanometer instantly jumps to one side and just as quickly returns to zero, indicating there is a momentary current in coil 2 or the secondary coil. Now disconnect coil 1 from battery and you will observe that the needle moves momentarily but to the opposite direction. It means now the current flows in the opposite direction in the secondary coil. The current is induced in secondary coil when coil 1 is changed, and in this activity we will observe that as soon as the current in coil 1 reaches either a steady value or 0, the galvanometer in coil 2 or the secondary coil shows no deflection. From these observations, we can conclude that a potential difference induced in the secondary coil whenever the current through the coil 1 is changing. That is, when there is a change in the current of coil 1, coil 2 gets charged, or there is a potential difference in secondary coil. And so we say that the coil 1 is a primary coil and coil 2 the secondary coil which gets the induced current from coil 1. As the current in the first coil changes, the magnetic field associated with it also changes. Hence, we say that the magnetic field lines around secondary coil also change. And this causes the induced current in the secondary coil. This process by which a changing magnetic field in a conductor induces a current in another conductor is called magnetic induction. And in practice, we can induce current in a coil either by moving it in a magnetic field or by changing the magnetic field around it. And this same type of induction can be performed if we are using an AC current instead of a battery as shown in this screen. And this kind of induction is called the mutual induction, which is the system that is performed in a transformer. Also, the AC generator works with such kind of a system. We shall see how an AC generator works in the next video. Till then, keep learning.